Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Some anti-social elements trying to spoil communal harmony in Goa circulate violent MMS. Warn against any incitement. MMS started from Margao. Government decides to make helmets compulsory even on village roads. Proposal sent to Panchayats. Locals say the highway is okay, this is too much. Diwar celebrates Bonera with fun and delight. People dance to the tunes of the music and enjoy floats. IDC files FIR in SEZ land scam, names companies but not officials or politicians. CM says names may come out after investigation. And biggest player on the verge of Indian League, former English Premier League star Rohan Ricketts, ready to add value to I-League. Former Arsenal and Tottenham Hotspur striker wants Dempo Sports Club to offer his worth. And now the news in detail. It has come to light that some anti-social elements are trying to disturb communal harmony by sending an MMS depicting violence against a particular community. Goa police have issued an advisory asking people to remain calm and not trust any such MMS. The MMS started from Margao and police are trying to track down the anti-social elements.
Some miscreants, with the help of drawing software, created a MMS showing that their brothers are not safe in the state. In that MMS, they have appealed to raise voice against the other community. Police personnel held a meeting in this regard and issued advisory to Goans not to believe in such kind of MMSs. Police are also trying to trap the person who is intentionally trying to create disharmony in the state.
The spread of the video is mischievous and may cause communal disharmony. It is therefore appealed to all not to fall prey to the video clippings and maintain calm and peace.
Meanwhile, meeting of the police officers was held at police headquarters with the Assamese who are working in the state. Police inquired about any misleading SMS and threats by any unknown person to them. Police officers have also given their contact numbers in case of Assamese need help.
ती मीटिंग घेतली आणि तांकां सांगलें की बाबा गोंयान भिवपाचें कांय ना, कितें प्रॉब्लम आसा जाल्यार तुमी पुलिसांक कॉन्टॅक्ट जायात. And they have given them the numbers of the police station, police control rooms, and तांचे प्रॉब्लम कितें आसा तेय बी जाणून ताणें घेतले देवार. तांचे कितें कांय आसामचे लोक आशिल्ले ते थोडे लोक गेल्या, ते म्हणटा आमी आमचे कलिग्स कोण गेल्या तांकां सांगतात की परत येयात पूण हांगा प्रॉब्लम ना. सो ते तरेन एक कॉन्फिडन्स जनरेट करपाचो एक प्रयत्न जाल्लो आसा.
In this regard, a meeting of the deputy collectors and police personnel was held in South Goa. Reporters Mahesh Ghadi and Sameer Bhatt with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Transport Department has decided to make helmets compulsory even on village roads. The department has sent the proposal to all Panchayats. People are in a mood to oppose this rule. They say it is okay on the highway, but making it compulsory on village roads is a bit too much.
हायवे वयल्या हेल्मेट सक्ती उपरांत आता सरकार गांवांनी हेल्मेट सक्ती करपाक सोदता. गांवांतल्या रस्त्यांचेर भोंवपी दिसा दीस भोंवपी लोकांक आता हेल्मेट घालून भोंवचें पडटलें असो प्रस्ताव सरकारान मांडला. ते गांवाच्या पंचायती कडल्यान हेजेर विचार घेवपाचे आसात. तेच्या पयलीं आमी लोकांक मेळोन विचारया लोकांक कितें दिसता तें.
आनी कितें आमकां एक्चुअली ते गांवांत नाका. गांवांत जो कोण गाडी घेवन काडटा आपले जर जबाबदारीन भायर काडीत जाल्यार कोणाक काय मार बसोंक शकना. आनी दुसरें आमी जर आतां हायवेर गेले ते हायवेर एक तुका एकामेकाक पळयना ते एक ओके आहा.
आतां जर गांवांनी आतां तूं एकटोच पासून भायर सरता न्हू जाल्यार
गांवांत एक्चुअली हेल्मेटाची गरजच आसा. आपल्यान जर प्रिकॉशन घेवन जावं आपल्यान जबाबदारीन जर गाडी चलयत कोणाक काय गरजूच ना हेल्मेटाची.
गांवांत कितें आसता चड लिमीट आसना. समज चड स्पिडीन उलयता ताका धरून व्हरोंक शकता.
तूं गांवांतल्या गांवांत जेन्ना भितरल्या भितर भोंवता तेन्ना त्रास जावंक जातले काय?
इच एंड एवरी केसीक समज आतां हांगासर कितें भाजी नाल्यार इवन फीश बाय करपाक वचपाक हेल्मेट जाय पडटलें कंपल्सरी करीत जाल्यार
लागच्या लागीं फॅमिली खूब आसता ते लागच्या लागीं हेल्मेट घेवपाचें आनी तुका मागीर तें खेडेगांव
आनी एक टायम कितें जालें आमी शॉपाक मार्केटान नुस्तें हाडूंक वयता मागीर भाजी हाडूंक वयता तें हेल्मेटूय सांबाळचें पडटलें
आमकां हेल्मेट गांवांनी नाका हेल्मेटा कित्याक एक किलोमिटर तूं हेल्मेट घाल तो प्रॉब्लम न्हू आमकां सांबाळपाक त्रास ते आमकां
लागींच्या लागीं समज भायर बीन सरता जाल्यार
त्रास म्हणल्यार आमकां हेल्मेट सांबाळपाक पयलीं त्रास आसा गाडयेन तूं सेफ्टी ना खंय म्हूण धरतलो गाडयेन तूं एकूच हेल्मेट धरपाक जागो मेळना आमकां 2 हेल्मेट आनी खंय धरतलो
जेन्ना तुमच्या पंचायतीन असो हे येतलो तेन्ना तुमी कितें करतले
अपोज करतले आमकां गांवांत हेल्मेट नाका म्हणून हायवेचेर ओके आहा हायवेक ती कंपल्सरी स्पिडीक लागून
तो गांवांनी आमी लागीं लागीं आसता एक 5 किलोमिटर 2 किलोमिटर 3 किलोमिटरच्या दायऱ्यान आमी गांवांत टचअप जाता ते गांवांनी हेल्मेट घालप म्हणजे गव्हर्मेंटान मातशें विचार करता तेजे बद्दल हांव हांकां रिक्वेस्ट करता हंबल रिक्वेस्ट गांवाच्या थ्रू बिहाफ ऑफ दीस विलेज की हे हेल्मेट आहा ते सिटी बद्दल आहा ते ओके वेल एंड गुड हे गांवांनी हेल्मेट इम्प्लिमेंट करचे न्हू इतले गव्हर्मेंटाक हांव हंबल रिक्वेस्ट करता
ना ते म्हाका बी बरें दिसना कित्याक म्हळ्यार आमी लोकल भोंवता न्हू रे 1-2 किलोमिटरांनी हेल्मेट कशें घालपाचें तर जातलें मरे भुरग्यांक हाडपाचें बारीक बारीक मार्केटान वचूंक जाय आमकां
महामार्गा वयल्या हेल्मेट सक्तीक गांवांतले लोक तयार आसात पूण गांवांनी हेल्मेट सक्ती करप हे लोकांक मानवल्लें ना हो इशू जेन्ना पंचायतीन येतलो हो प्रस्तावाचो इशू जेन्ना पंचायतीन येतलो तेन्ना लोक हाका विरोध करपाक पुरायपणान तयार आसात चलचित्र खबरांकार ओंकार फळारी वांगडा हांव प्रतीक वासुदेव परब प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर
Bonera festival was celebrated with fun and glory at Diwar Island on Saturday. Expectant crowd assembled for the display of floats and danced to the tunes of music by the bands. Have a look and Viva Bonera.
The main Bonera festival is celebrated on the 4th Saturday of August. This is ceremoniously done by the parish priest, followed by the feast mass. The festival includes colorful processions, floats and brass bands. This is also commemorated with a fatash. Each ward of the village has a float at the parade. Though sponsored by business houses, the floats have an unmistakable local flavor.
To our island, it's pleasure. It's a wonderful day with St. Matthias Sports Club celebrating Bonera 2012. Viva Bonera!
Video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.